Hello, I'm Rizal and my partner Hutami. We will ask to foreign about culture in Brazil. Let's check it.
Halo, selamat pagi. Sebelumnya, aku mau bilang kamu sudah mengenal ini. Sebelumnya ya, kita bisa kenalan dulu kali ya. Kenalin, aku Hutami, Bu Rizal. Kita berasal dari Indonesia. Tujuan kita melakukan interview ini adalah untuk memenuhi tugas akhir semester di perguruan tinggi. Oke, selanjutnya kamu bisa untuk perkenalkan diri dan sebutkan kamu berasal dari mana.
Hello, good morning. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for taking the time to be with us today. Before we begin, I think it would be nice if we could introduce ourselves first. My name is Rizal and my partner Hutami. We're from Indonesia. The purpose of this interview is to fulfill our final test assignment at university. And now, please could you introduce yourself and tell us where you're from?
Hello, my name is Mateus. I am from Brazil. I live actually on the state, or you could say province, of São Paulo and in the city of Sorocaba in Brazil. And I am 24 years old.
Jadi nama saya adalah Mateus. Saya tinggal di salah satu provinsi yang terdapat di São Paulo.
Oke, halo Mateus. Nama yang sangat bagus ya. Oke, biar nggak lama-lama juga nih ya, aku bakal kasih tahu dulu ke kamu kalau kita ini akan melakukan sesi interview dan sesi sharing ringan aja seputar makanan tradisional Brazil dan budayanya. Semoga kamu bisa membawa atmosfer dan influence buat kita nih, supaya kita juga bisa sama-sama belajar lebih jauh lagi tentang Brazil, tentang makanan tradisionalnya dan budayanya. Oke, kita masuk ke pertanyaan pertama ya. Aku mau tahu nih, buat kamu seberapa penting sih budaya Brazil seperti makanan tradisional untuk dilestarikan?
Alright, hello Mateus, that's such a lovely name. Okay, so to get straight to the point, I just want to let you know that we'll be having a light interview and sharing session about traditional Brazilian food. We're really hoping you can bring some atmosphere and influence from your experience, so we can learn more about traditional cuisine in Brazil. So let's move to the first question. I'd like to know how important do you think it is to preserve Brazilian culture, especially traditional food?
In my opinion, I feel like preserving the traditional culture of Brazil is really important because we, as Brazilians, we have influences from so many countries. We have influences from Eastern Asia, like China and Japan. Actually, Brazil has the biggest amount of Japanese outside of Japan. And also, Japan has the biggest amount of Brazilian outside of Brazil because they are in Japan. So we have a good connection with Japan, for example. We have a very strong ties with Europe, like Italy, Spain. Most of the people that I know in Brazil have heritage from Europe, from Africa too, because of the slaves, and also even the native culture in Brazil, the Native Americans. So we have a lot of different cultures that are composing what Brazil and Brazilian culture is. So in my opinion, I feel like because we have such a big mix of cultures, it is a very unique thing that Brazil has, and we need to preserve it very truly.
Oke, jadi di Brazil itu kita mempunyai penyajian yang sangat baik terhadap budaya. Terlebih lagi kita punya hubungan budaya yang erat dengan Cina, apalagi Jepang, dan banyak beragam budaya di Brazil yang mencampurkan antara budaya seperti di Afrika dan wilayah-wilayah lainnya. Oke, next.
Oke, wow, amazing ya ternyata budaya dan makanan tradisional di Brazil ini ternyata. Oke, selanjutnya apakah kamu punya makanan tradisional favorit?
That's amazing. The culture and traditional food in Brazil are truly fascinating. And do you have a favorite traditional dish?
So basically, there is a food called feijoada, which came from the slaves, and the slave owners, give them the pieces of the pig that they didn't want, like the nose, the ears, the tail, and they would make a soup. Nowadays, we use the good parts of the pig to eat, not the bad parts. So this is a very traditional dish, and we use black beans also with those parts, It's really tasty.
Oke, jadi ada makanan yang namanya feijoada. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. Dan makanan itu menggunakan memakai bagian-bagian dari tubuh babi, dan biasanya dicampur dengan kacang hitam. Dan untuk sekarang bagian-bagian buruk atau bagian jelek dari babi itu udah nggak dipakai. Kita pakai bagian-bagian yang lebih baik, lebih bagus daripada babi itu untuk makanannya.
Oke, so cool. Sangat amat menarik ya makanan tradisional di Brazil ini ternyata, dan itu termasuk makanan favoritmu ya. Aku jadi penasaran sih, pengen coba juga rasanya nih kayak gimana. Oke, next question. Apakah kamu punya tradisi atau kebiasaan unik yang terkenal atau biasa dilakukan untuk sebuah perayaan di Brazil?
Let's jump to next question. Are there any unique or well-known traditions or customs usually done during celebrations in Brazil?
Sorry, can you repeat it? My internet's not really good.
For the next question, are there any unique or well-known traditions or customs usually done during celebrations in Brazil?
Well, there's a lot of these. I will tell you one of them. So there is one called Carnaval, which is basically a big party. We basically get one venue in streets, and we make some, how can I say? We make a celebration with a lot of people that go into this venue, dancing and dressed up as something. There's everything, mermaids, there's people dressed as soldiers. It's basically a cosplay party,
I know.
And there's those big, and there's also some big cars, which we call the allegoric cars, you could say, which they make some very big statues on them to go on the venue. This is one of the Brazilian celebrations.
Jadi di Brazil itu ada yang namanya karnaval atau festival. Di sana dilakukan di sebuah jalan atau venue, dan banyak orang berkunjung ke sana, seperti misalkan kayak cosplay gitu kan. Terus ada mobil yang ukurannya gede lah gitu, cuman dia dihias, dan banyak pertunjukan di sana gitu.
Oke, benar-benar unik banget ya berarti tradisi sama budaya di Brazil ini. Jadi pengen ngerasain buat berkunjung langsung gitu dan lihat langsung gimana sih gitu tradisinya. Aku sampai kagum banget sih. Kita lanjut kali ya ke pertanyaan selanjutnya nih. Bagaimana keberagaman budaya di Brazil ini mempengaruhi rasa kebanggaan nasionalis kamu?
The tradition and culture in Brazil are truly fascinating, It really makes me want to visit and see all it in person. I'm genuinely amazed. Let's move to the next question. How does Brazil's cultural diversity influence your sense of national pride?
This is a very good question. I would say for me that this kind of mix we have makes me even more proud to be Brazilian, because when I see my heritage, my ancestors were both in Europe and in Africa, in America, and even in Asia. So, in my opinion, this makes it even more rich than what would be maybe if I was not mixed blood, you know? And I think this is true for most Indians, you know?
Oke, jadi aku bangga banget sama keadaan budaya dan kondisi dengan percampuran itu, kayak dari nenek moyang, entah itu di Afrika, terus Asia dan banyak lagi. Jadi aku benar-benar bangga sama sama budaya yang ada di Brazil gitu. Okay, next.
Wow, benar-benar sangat mempengaruhi ya, berarti rasa kebanggaan nasionalnya itu ternyata benar-benar keren banget, nasional banget nih. Oke, the last question, aku mau tanya nih, gimana sih cara kamu sebagai warga negara Brazil untuk melestarikan tradisi dan memperkenalkan makanan tradisional Brazil?
And for the last question, I'd like to ask, as a Brazilian citizen, how do you personally help preserve traditions and promote traditional Brazilian food?
Personally, I would say that my favorite part of my culture is food. So what I usually do is cook those foods. I have many recipes, and I like to be part of the culture alive by making those recipes and eating them frequently.
Secara pribadi, saya suka saya melestarikan budaya itu, salah satunya terhadap makanan, dimana saya bisa masak dan membuat makanan dari resep-resep yang mungkin sudah turun menurun gitu. Oke.
Oke, akhirnya ya kita sudah selesai nih agenda sharing session kita seputar tradisi budaya dan makanan tradisional dari Brazil ya. Budaya di Brazil ini benar-benar menarik banget buat aku, dapat memberikan impact banget sih yang sangat bagus juga nih buat kita berdua. Jadi kita lebih tahu dan mengenal juga makanan-makanan tradisional dan budaya-budaya di Brazil. Oke, aku mau ngucapin terima kasih banyak karena kamu sudah berkenan untuk meluangkan waktunya untuk berbicara dan mengobrol dengan kita. Terima kasih juga karena telah membagi semuanya dengan kita berdua. Kami sangat menghargai waktu dan wawasan kamu. Semoga kamu sukses ya, dan kita bisa bertemu di kesempatan lain. Oke, see you next time, Mr. Mateus.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Finally come to an end of our sharing sessions about traditions, culture, and traditional Brazilian food. Brazilian is truly fascinating. It has given us such a great positive impact. We've learned so much more about traditional food and culture in Brazil. So I would like to say a big thank you for kindly taking time to talk and chat with us. Thank you as well for sharing all of these valuable insights. We truly appreciate your time and knowledge. Wishing you continued success and hopefully we can meet again in the future. Okay, then goodbye and see you next time. Mateus.
Goodbye. Thank you very much for the interview. I loved being interviewed by you too.
Oke, thank you.
Okay. Maybe for this time is enough, and thank you for. I'm sorry for all of my our mistake, and thank you very much, Mateus.
No, there was no mistakes. You did perfectly. Thank you.
Okay. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Can we get out now?
Of course.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.